On one cool Saturday morning in July 2020, Dera Gizelle on the microphone set out on a journey to her first ever movie audition. Anyone who watched my Get to Know Me tag would know that I said I had interest in acting and I really wanted to take it up as a career path. How was my first audition? Did it meet my expectation? Do I still want to go on with Nollywood? Do I still have interest in acting? I guess you're going to have to find out in this video. Stay tuned, guys.
Black fingers upon the beat.
So the first problem I had with this audition was what to wear. I didn't know what to wear. I didn't know the kind of clothes people wear to auditions. So I was like, should I sew a new clothes and all of that? At the end of the day, I sewed the clothes, but I didn't later wear it for the audition. I had to wear one of my old clothes, and I think I still looked beautiful. What do you think? Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, Ogini Neme, let's go there. Okay, I should have started this vlog at home, but I was in a hurry and the Uber driver was already around. Actually, I'm at the venue of my first audition, the first audition I'll ever go for in my life. Yeah, my first movie audition. I'm actually very, very tense. Very. But I'm trusting and believing in God. I did some little rehearsals. I watched some videos on YouTube of auditions and everything. So I'm just going to give my best and keep you guys updated. See you later. Bye. So at this point, everybody already went to where they wrote down different roles and they chose roles that they could represent very well in front of the judges. And as you guys can see, I chose one role that had to do with Onuba, running mouth. That is why I look like someone that they slapped. I was actually slapped in that role.
6.5 hours later.
Seriously, this was over 6 hours later and we had not yet auditioned. I and my audition partner, we had not yet auditioned. So many people were now coming in. The whole place was crowded. God, I was so stressed out. I was like, nah, so this thing day. I was now fidgeting. I was trying to open my bag and I injured myself on my finger. So people, I actually just left the place. Like, I am totally exhausted. At some point, I wanted to get frustrated. Like, is this how this stuff is? And it's just the first one. Like, how many more am I even going to go for? I don't know what next now. They didn't call any results. They told everyone that they would get back to them. And I hope I received their call, I received their text, and I hope I get a very, very good role. Even if it's not very good, I don't want to do akapas. Nobody wants to do akapas. That's just it. That's it, guys. I don't know when I'll upload this video. Probably next month, probably next 2 months. It just depends on how everything goes. Anyway, guys, I'll be ordering my Uber now and I'll be going home. So people, on my way home, I decided to branch to 2K supermarkets to get some stuff. Yeah, I want to make toast bread. I got my soap. I got a small juice, small size of chairs, just to have some good feeling, you know. And I'm looking for butter to make the toast bread complete. They don't have seamers here. And I'm still looking for blue band.
2,000 years later.
So people, very good news. This is like 2 weeks after the audition or 3 weeks after the audition, and this is a Tuesday and I got a text message. Sorry about the chewing gum. I got a text message that I should come for the casting, meaning that I passed the audition and I will just go so that they will find the role that is most suitable for my person, the role that I'll be able to carry out better. And your baby girl is officially an actor. This is no longer a dream. This is no longer I want to act. It is now I am acting. I am so going to my Instagram to edit my profile and put actor because I am so happy. I want to get an Uber or a cab now and I'll be on my way to the venue of the casting. Sorry about the tree. Sorry about the chewing gum. I'm just using it to relieve tension and all of that. See you guys when I get there. I'm at the venue. I don't know why I'm tense again. God. Guys, see the person I met here. Dominic.
What's happening?
He's my friend. The two of us are still serving.
Yeah.
I'm here looking for acting job.
Which acting job?
No be acting. Wait till you come do for you. No be casting you come. See this guy. No be casting you come.
Oh, Chidera, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you again.
I was so surprised to see him. Like, see how happy I am.
I was very surprised to see her too. I was like, Chidera, what are you doing?
Me will start to the print. I mean, no be waka pass. So good.
No, even listen to waka pass. Not say from waka pass. If you still enter too. If you for doors more, then you get us to go be. Because one time when you know see for door plenty time, you go say, you don't do waka pass. Oh yeah, enter. And so we did. That's very nice, dude. That's very nice. Peace, okay? One love.
Bye. See you guys later. So fun. What's up?
This time to make you come dance for the guy.
Jesus.
Oh, God don't boom.
God don't boom. No, you know, see, Jesus.
See us.
We're catching fun here.
You're not having any fun.
Yeah, catching fun. That's Mr. Macho. 2019 Mr. Macho.
Oh, Mr. Macho. 2019 batch C1.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, no wonder now they call her Macho.
Yeah, that's how we roll.
I don't even know the best way we win for our own time.
We do anything, budget.
No, we do now. Sit too.
Not do budget.
No.
Get me say my sister.
Now, Mr. Macho. Amen. Oh, Jesus.
Now, Pastor, you feel.
6.5 hours later.
So, people, I am done. Yeah. I didn't get a lead role or a major role or anything, but at least I'm grateful, and it starts from there. Not everyone is going to get the lead roles and all of that. I just ordered for my Uber and I'll be leaving. At least I'm proud of myself and I'm happy that at least I did something, and even if it's not as big as I anticipated or expected, it is something and it is a step towards a greater heights, a step towards greater heights in the future. So I called my cabman and he said he's on his way. I should be patient, that he went to get fuel. So I'll just be waiting and I'll see you guys.
2,000 years later.
So people, in conclusion, for those who will be like, tell us when the movie is out so that we'll go watch it. As at the moment when I'll be posting this video, the shoot has not yet started, and then I'm not in an obvious role in the movie. I'll be an obvious position in the movie yet. I'm just like part of crowd in one part of the movie that I don't even know whether me myself I'll be able to find it in the movie. But the thing is that I'm not very discouraged, because this is a start and I'm just going to observe the way things happen, the way things are. And for those who do not know, when you go for an audition, those directors or the people judging the audition just want to see what you can do. They want to know whether you can act, whether they want you on their movie. The casting is the main cocoa. I didn't know that at all. The casting is the main cocoa. Is in the casting that they will come and, okay, they need a fair character for this particular part of the movie. They will come and take fair people, and those fair people will fight for that spot in the movie. You get? So like the audition is the first stage and the casting is the second stage, according to what I experienced in this first audition that I went for. And I was just like, God, only one audition and only one waka pass where I get. Now I suffer like this for 2 whole days under the hot sun with this my first skin that I know that I'm not even maintaining yet. The small one where I manage do, I be the small one where I manage there. I almost turn to charcoal. Now I get waka pass. It can be quite discouraging, but the thing is that once you make your name, man, you don't even need to audition, you don't even need to cast. You just need that call, and you just need to discuss your price, your payments, and you just need to go there and shine, you know, like a superstar that you. And I like the fact that I'm documenting this by posting this on YouTube, not just by showing you guys. Like, it's not just for showing you guys, but it's for me to look back in future. I'll look back and I'll just be like, wow, Chineke or Tweedy, God, is this how you are? Just look at me a few years back and look at me now. Amen. In case you see me in a movie, in a crowd doing something, don't laugh at me and say, see this waka pass girl. Because if you laugh at me, tomorrow you'll be one of my followers on Instagram farming me. Yes, you'll be one of the people farming me, dropping your account number for giveaway. Anyways, guys, I am Chidera, a lifestyle vlogger and Abuja vlogger. Yeah, I'm based in Abuja currently. I'm currently serving in Abuja. And if you don't know what lifestyle vlogs is, just like a way of showing my life, activities in my life, showing the city I live in, the way of life of people in my city and all of that. I know lifestyle vlogging is foreign to so many Nigerians, but if you don't know a lot about lifestyle vlogging and you just came here because you saw Nollywood Audition and all of that, just consider subscribing, because lifestyle vlogging is everything fun, and I'm going to show you what it means with my fun vlogs. I love you all so much. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Hi, I'm Olivia. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Chidera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Chidera's vlog.
Chidera's vlog to the world. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube and tell your friends to subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube.